getting a new exhaust setup today. He's got the 3.5 IRL. Ooh, okay. Sup? How you doing? You good?
Good.
Nice to see you. My car's getting wrapped.
Oh, he's getting wrapped?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What's up, man?
Bro, I got the most Florida outfit right now.
I know, right?
Like,
The
you hot,
jacket, yeah.
you hot or you cold, bro? What's good? What's going on?
Yeah, that's so true.
That's so fast.
Yo, this weather's terrible right
Bro,
now.
I had to
It's
go
so
get my car
gloomy.
today, bro. I was like, nah, I'm not going outside.
You're gonna take a nap.
Bro, I slept
One of those
bro.
days for sure, bro.
I slept like crazy in my car today, bro.
So look at the trunk, man.
Uh-oh.
I gotta pop the trunk.
He said I could show you better than I could tell you. You killed it with the paint match mirror caps though.
Yo, I love that, man. It's such a
Ruby
subtle
Star,
thing.
bro.
I love that.
It looks so good.
Yo, look what this
Oh.
man wrote, bro.
Oh nah.
Look what this man
Oh
wrote.
nah.
Bro.
He said you gotta go on E50 now.
Damn, bro.
Especially with the high gas prices.
Magic, pull up, bro. Come on now. We gotta run it.
Dini slow G80's crazy.
Right here. Right here.
It's what we got going on. The 3.5 modular silver Dini tips.
I hope they're like this, bro.
Yeah, I think they are. And you got the OEM style diffuser, so
Yeah.
it should definitely fit yours because it doesn't wrap around the bottom.
Yeah. Well,
Damn.
this is the OEM style, but it has this.
Yeah,
middle
the
part.
third
But
fin.
it's not covered on the bottom, so I hope there's a lot of room there.
Yeah, this should be.
Yeah.
Sheesh. That's our customer car right there. Single turbo, I believe. Big single.
Smells like that.
Yeah, it smells like corn. You guys hear it? T51 R-Mod. We're here at SFL Motorsports. So I just got the 4-inch. Dini has a 3.5, but I don't have my car right now. So we're gonna have to do a comparison once I get my car back. And that's gonna be a great video.
I just remember that you don't have your car. I'm like, yo, I can't wait to hear it side by side.
Yeah.
Thinking this whole time, bro, and I just.
And you just picked me up.
Yo, it's been a long day.
Yeah, seriously. But nah, it's gonna be a great day after we get this installed. Let's take a quick look around. We got the frozen pure gray. It's not a wrap.
Nope.
Got the paint match mirrors from Ruby Star Auto Body.
I'm saying.
Woo. Guys, we're always together, but sometimes we don't get all the details like this. Look at that. Beautiful steering wheel, carbon. Sometimes I wish I did a little bit more carbon on my steering wheel. But we went with the motorsport look. I might need that armrest actually.
Bro, it's such a game changer.
Your letters
I
are
love
still
it.
intact?
Yeah.
Cause I know on some people's the letters like wear off.
Yeah, I've seen that a lot. I've
Yeah.
just tried to be really conscious about not putting my elbow on there.
Bet. So what setup you got on right now?
Exhaust-wise,
Yeah.
I have the Mad catless downpipes.
Fat
I
Boys?
believe they're the Fat Boys, so they're 3.5 inches.
Mm-hmm.
That's the biggest you can fit on the G80s.
Mm-hmm.
And then I have Mad 4-inch non-resonated single mid-pipe. I think they're also called the Fat Boy mid-pipe.
And then the,
OEM
stock.
Axoback.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay,
I just
okay.
painted it black because I hated how it looked really big
Yeah.
when it was silver. So
Oh
I just
yeah,
painted
I
it
actually never really noticed that.
Yeah, and that's the point. I don't like it.
Where is it?
I don't like it being noticed.
There it is.
So-
Yeah. That's a great little subtle mod that you guys can do if you have the OEM muffler from factory. Paint it black and it looks so sleek.
Yeah.
Kind of looks like you got that diffuser that goes under the car.
Oh shit!
You know
I
that?
know what you're talking about. Yeah,
Yeah.
the one that like extends under.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, and then the tips from ARM Motorsports.
Arm.
These are the 4.5 tips.
Nice. Should we get some before clips now?
Oh, I think we should because I gotta let the car cool off anyway.
Yeah, exactly. They got valves closed. If you're gonna know. Valves closed. this one. Jeez, bro, that is freaking loud. But he is also tuned. He's on 93 tune, MHD. So this car does have a deep tone to it. It sounds good too.
Sounds good right now.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
I like it, dude. It does sound good. But time to switch it up. And
Yes,
I have
sir.
a feeling that I might switch to the 4-inch after I put the 3.5. But we'll see, we'll see.
Hey, you never know, bro.
I know, that's the thing.
I really liked my my 3. I think mine was 3-inch when I had before I did the modular.
3.5.
Mine was 3 or 3.5.
Yeah.
And I really like that setup too.
I know, bro.
So this one's gonna be. I don't know. I'm waiting for what the difference is gonna be. Obviously now you're swapping the axle back. So
that's
yeah.
the main difference, I think.
I feel like you're gonna get a deeper tone to it.
I'm hoping so, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I want. That's what I want.
Yeah,
And no drone, no rasp.
yeah, and regardless of what we do, like, it doesn't sound the same through camera.
I know,
Like,
bro.
it does not.
It doesn't matter what mic you use, Osmo mic, the DJI one.
Literally,
the phone,
it does
doesn't
not matter. It does not sound the same.
Yeah.
But we're
Come
about to
to
change.
Florida.
Yeah, facts. Come to a car meet.
See you at Beamer. Actually, we probably can't even rev it in there. Never mind.
I can't rev it inside the building,
Oh,
but you can
you're
do it
inside?
outside.
Yeah, I can do it outside.
Yeah,
I can do it
Pull
outside.
up to the booth. It's tough, right? The spec.
Whoa. Just move the seat back, bro. No, this is.
Nah, he's admiring the spec.
Oh, my fault.
Let him admire the spec,
You
bro.
meant difficult.
This is tough.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, the color is.
Yeah.
The color is.
Yo, they never said that about my car. That's crazy. Bro.
Yo,
I'm joking. Hey,
it's okay. You can tell mine's better. It's okay.
Let me have a moment here. I'm having a moment here.
I'm just joking.
Clean, bro.
I'm just joking.
Should I take
Oh,
the exhaust
by the
out
way,
first, or
just
what?
for everybody, his car looks really nice too.
Thank you, man. Appreciate that. Yeah.
For the record,
Thank you.
My
Thank you.
daughter will say, "Oh, the color is sick, daddy."
Mine, cause Toy Story spec. Cause
Damn.
Yeah, but yours looks nice too.
Nah, I'm just joking, guys.
Oh shit.
I'm not fishing for compliments. What happened? The keys?
No, I said let me record this.
Oh yeah, bro.
But you don't see that every time with this color.
Nah. It's showtime. Yo, that thing is sitting pretty, dog. I want to see a little beadlock in the back. Like an OEM style beadlock.
Coming soon, my boy.
Jeez. Back to the dungeon. Yeah, it should have space. Bring it up.
Damn, not even the beef could take it out.
There you go. That's enough time.
That's the coilover fitment, though.
Yo, that message right there is funny.
This guy magic, bro. Right, so I'm lifting it up, putting it in the trunk by myself. I'm like done with it, and I'm like, oh shit, wait, what the fuck? Yo, who wrote that? Had to be magic, bro. Had to be magic, bro.
Tried you, bro.
The disrespect is unreal, bro.
Damn. That's bad.
Dun
Let's see
dun
what
dun.
we got.
Let's see it.
It's the first time changing the axle back.
Oh yeah.
Still got the stocky. Ugh, damn, this shit fucking heavy. Probably still lighter than the OEM one though.
Yeah, it probably is. All right, we got
Finally
the
got the megaphone.
megaphone. Damn, what's up with this camera, dog? And then last but not least,
El zipper.
el zipper. Quítate
Yo, peep the welds, peep the welds.
Yo,
Damn.
yo, take the wrapper off.
Nah, you're right, you're right.
Let's undress her real quick.
Hey, yo.
Take the zipper out.
Unzip it? Hey.
Yo, that looks good.
Damn.
Damn.
Shit is nice, man.
Drop the rating on the wells, guys. Drop the rating. What we got in there?
You know what these are?
We got Dini tips. In a box? Oh, you got the slant ones.
Titanium, my guy.
Oh, nah.
New.
Brother.
Unreleased.
I like those.
Slanted? Beat the angle?
I like that.
Nah,
Those are fire.
Fucking clean, bro. What?
Damn, it matches your intakes.
Yes, bro, exactly. Yo, bro, look how nice this looks.
It does look very nice.
Like, just, I don't even know what this is, but yo, that shit is nice.
That's what.
This shit got a bracelet.
That's the valve, the one he made.
Oh, but look at this part though.
Yeah, that looks pretty cool.
So this is actually flipped. It's supposed to go on that side.
Oh,
but obviously, when we are under the car, it's gonna look the other way, and
you're gonna see the IRL. Oh, that's a nice touch.
413s, 213s, 113.
All right,
You pick up the whole thing, bring it on.
Damn.
let's take her off.
Yeah, the whole piece. So, you ready?
Ready?
Let's get it.
Hold it back.
Let's get it.
The diaper is coming off. Yeah, you see, the shop is the gym, guys. Yeah, that is kind of fun. Oh, you got, is this a dent here?
It came like that, remember?
Oh, it did. That's what gives you a cool pitch.
I think so. Yeah, sure.
You gotta wear some Yeezys,
You know what I'm
man.
saying? Yeah. You know what's up?
Dini loved the 4-inch, so he's getting the 3.5, you know? That sounded kind of weird, but you know what I mean.
Oh, yo, pause. Time out.
Whoa.
Let's see if we can put this one in. Oh, there you go. You're such a bully.
Bro, are you serious?
Huh?
Oh, you motherfuckers forgot on me last time.
It only matters when you're caught on camera. Excited or what?
I'm excited to see how it sounds. Like I said, you know, the original exhaust that I had on was pretty good. It was loud.
Yeah.
Not a lot of rasp, but it's time
We'll
to see what
we'll see what's up.
what the IRL sauce is all about.
Dini tips.
Is that where it is?
Yeah.
Car's officially on the ground. You want to get back there? Hey,
Damn.
hey, yo.
Chill.
Hey, yo.
You're talking to me dirty.
Hey. Moment of truth. It's off right now?
I don't know.
You could click it. The car's off.
But
The V1, dog.
remember when we changed the spring, I don't know what position it was on. Anyways, this is closed, this is
Yeah.
on, but
It should be fine. It should be closed right now. All right, let's get it. Oh, you're probably gonna do the revs out there, right? It should just drop like 3 inches, huh? What do you think about the coaster?
that shit was loud as fuck.
That was pretty loud. The Dini tips, slant version, huh? Damn, let's see. I'm ready for the revs, dog. You want? Oh. Yo, the pops. Yeah, the pops are more aggressive. All right, guys, let's get some revs. M2, valves closed. 3,000 RPM. That is loud.
I think it's louder than yours.
No, 100% is louder than mine.
That's not BMW, bro. Can you do it again?
Huh? You want to hear it? Hey, yo. I think it's louder, bro.
Yo, I think I got a flame tune. That shit sounds insane.
I think it's louder.
I think it's louder too. Somehow it's louder, bro.
Just gotta fix a few things, right? We got
adjustments.
There's one clamp that was 4 inches, so there's an exhaust leak. So they're sending over a 3-inch clamp, 3.5-inch clamp. Sorry.
Yeah.
So that they close that up.
That's it, though.
What do you think right now, though?
I'm very happy with the sound.
After the trials and tribulations,
yeah,
right?
really, though. But the guys at SFL Florida, South Florida Motorsports, held it down.
All right.
Appreciate it, my guys.
Yeah, man.
Yo, y'all did your thing, man.
This is the guy in the back.
Still got the Dini tips.
This is the guy that helped with the little valve spring over here. If you need any valve, if you need spring expansions,
Even at valveexpansion.com.
Some under load, it'll sound different.
Yeah, give us an update, bro.
Gotcha.
Give us an update.
Listen, if y'all really want this setup, you heard it here first. That shit sounded amazing. This is a 3.5. 4.5. Does that even exist?
No.
No, 4. Just kidding. So 3.5 and 4-inch. But IRL, hold it down. You can use my code Dini_G80. Hit me up, DM me if you have questions regarding fitment, installation, whatever the case may be. If you live in South Florida, want to hear it in person, let me know.
Beamer Invasion, be there.
Yeah, Beamer Invasion. If you're local, you know, I don't mind. I go to car meets all the time, so we'll make it happen.
What do you think, Avi?
It sounds good. It sounds good. We fixed that little piece in the middle.
Yeah, with the clamp.
Yeah.
That's gonna give the real
That shit was
sound.
loud as fuck. I really thought I had a flame tune.
No,
When
the
you wrapped
burbles
it
are
out
crazy.
here, oh my
The
God.
burbles are crazy. It does sound loud.
That pop that was happening in the middle was when you're on comfort. But
Yeah.
like M2, it's throwing it back there. Like,
Right.
it's paused.
That shit throwing back, dog.
Throw that ass in the circle.
That was crazy.
Alright guys, you heard it here. We're gonna do a video with my exhaust comparison once I have my car back. But if you like it, make sure you comment down below what you guys think about the exhaust. Hit up Dini with any questions. I'll plug his Instagram in the description. Also his exhaust setup in the description. But if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.